Hi, hello, good morning. Happy to be connected. If you're watching this video, you should be probably an architect or an engineer. Learning Revit is easy, but if you're having a trainer, then it's a bit more easy. But we can have the trainer always uh, by our side. So that's why I have created a video so that you can watch anywhere in the mobile, in the laptop, in your desktop, you can watch. It's all online. Learning is easy, but how to learn, that's very important. So I have already created a syllabus. You can go through the syllabus. In case if you want to learn Revit in my channel, please go to the channel page and click on the join button and choose Revit tutorial videos. You will get all the Revit related videos with that membership, but keep it in mind to follow the syllabus. Syllabus will help you to go through one by one. Don't jump to the last step. So go from first step, one, two, three, four. So that will help you to keep focusing. Allow enough time to learn Revit because everything takes its own time. You can't be a professional in one day. So allow enough time. The second thing, in case if you don't understand any video, watch the video again. Then if you want to take a note, then take a note. Pause the video and take a note. For example, the tool path and how to solve the problem and graphics warnings. And if you're facing any issue, then you should take a note. Don't worry, you're not alone. In case if you're facing any problem with the Revit learning, you can always contact me with my WhatsApp number. I will try to make another video to solve your problem. Click on the join button and make your payment and watch members only videos. Best of luck with your learning. Thank you. Bye bye.